So students, I will tell you how to pay money for that talent search exam and how to enroll ourselves. For that you need any payment app. I'm doing with PhonePe. So once you open that phone payment app, you need to click on to account. There you need to mention that add a recipient bank account. There you will choose HDFC Bank. This detail you have to mention there. So you can mention that account number. You can confirm that. IFSC code is not required, automatically selected for this bank account. And on third number, you have to mention account holder name, that is Center for Excellence HDFC Bank. It is like that. Here it is only Center for Excellence. This will also work. And then fourth option, that you need to confirm this. Once you confirm that, it will ask you about how much money you are going to pay. So you can mention 100 rupees. It's exam fee. If you want books, then you can add 60 more in that. In second box, it is very important to write student full name and send it. Okay, once you will send money, you will see like this, view details. You can click on that and you can come to know this kind of details. This you need to write down. Here you can take one screenshot. Okay, this transaction ID or this Google transaction ID you have to mention somewhere after this. So you can write down it, you can note down it. Okay, this is also from another app. Okay, so here transaction ID and UTR number you have to note down. If you have received such message in your WhatsApp group, then by tapping on this email address will be open. There you need to mention this much information. Okay, so subject for that email will be paid fee for AIMS talent search exam, and there will be this much format for that email, which you need to edit: name of student, class, school and address, date of birth. All these following fields you have to edit. Okay, in this mail, a transaction number of payment is very important. Okay, class is also important. Everything is important. You have to edit that all things. Okay, so same you can copy and send it to your teachers, so they can generate a list of the students to send that exam department. If you are not having this message in your WhatsApp account, then simply you can open your Gmail. There you can see this compose email option. If you will click this, the interface will be like this. Here you need to mention this email address, and same these things will be there. These things are in description box also. From there also you can copy. Once you type this all things, you need to tap on this option, send. It is send option. The notice will be there, send this message. You need to tap on OK, and your mail will be sent to that exam department. And same mail you can copy and send to your class teachers also. Thank you.